A facial is considered to be a beauty treatment which is designed to exfoliate, energize or treat the skin on your face. It's a procedure that involves steam, creams, masks, peels and massages. Step 1. Face cleansing. The first and most important step in facial cleansing is to clean the face. It's like preparing the skin. Use a gentle face wash or a foaming cleanser to clean the skin of any product or makeup residue. Wash it with lukewarm water. Now your skin is ready for facial. Step number 2. Take steam. Steaming can make skin look firmer and younger because it increases circulation. Steaming helps in loosening of the skin and pores, so dirt and dead skin layer come off easily. Steaming also helps in deep hydration of the skin and reduces the size of the pores. This also prepares the skin for exfoliation and doesn't make it dry after the process. Step number 3. Exfoliation. Once the skin is prepared after steam, get on to the exfoliation. It's one of the most critical steps to remove dead skin cells and clean pores. ½ cup strawberries, mashed with a fork, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup coconut, oil. Mix all ingredients together in a bowl. Apply to cleansed skin in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. Rinse skin with lukewarm water. Your third step is done. Step 4. Apply skin toner. It helps maintain the pH balance and also maintains the hydration of the skin. It helps give even skin tone too. You can use cucumber juice or green tea to make your natural skin toner. Rose water also works well as the toner, and your facial is done. If you want to use essential oils for moisturizing your skin type, check out the link in description. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates.